My name's Shelly Cantrell. I'm a librarian here with Tampa Hillsborough County Public Libraries. We have an amazing library system here in Hillsborough County. We're very fortunate. We have 27 libraries. We have new ones all the time. Libraries are just a part of the community, and they are such an important part of a neighborhood. They establish a space for people to gather. They establish a space for people to access education. They establish a space for people to relax, to access services like voting happens here and tax prep help happens here. Tons of things happen in our library buildings, and so they're just so vital to the community that's built around them. Our programming is amazing. We have early literacy programming. You can bring your children to baby time, toddler time, story time, and get them started on their reading journey. Of course, we have books, we have movies, but we have amazing things like we have laptops that you can check out and use. We have maker spaces that you can learn new skills. We have recording studios. There's just so much that's happening in every single one of our libraries. It's definitely far beyond books. I think when we think of libraries, right, we think, okay, you could definitely have some nice times for yourself in reading a book. But it goes beyond that. You could just grab yourself a couple of minutes of quiet. And it doesn't have to be a book. You could be at home and grab yourself a couple minutes of just a mental health break and flip through a magazine if that's something that interests you. We have digital magazines. You could listen to music. You can watch a movie. You could stream something. For me, I'll tell you, my definite mental health challenge is my commute. I'm sure there's a lot of people in Hillsborough County that will hear this and they'll think the same thing, right? That commute is a challenge for all of us. And what helps me is I listen to an audiobook, and it just allows me when I'm stuck and I'm not doing anything physically in that car, it gives me just a minute where I kind of like am escaping the car for a couple minutes and I'm listening to this great story and something's just kind of taking me somewhere else. So I think that there's a ton of mental health benefits that the library provides through its resources.
For people of all ages who come to any of Hillsborough libraries, what do you hope they walk away with?
Something for them. You know, I think that's the hope of every librarian, is that you come in and you find something that works for you.